Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you delete a chat on Instagram from both ends. So what is the difference between delete and unsend? I'll just explain you as I do this stuff, okay? So I'm just gonna send Coldplay a message which they're probably never gonna see. So I'm gonna say, hey there, big fan. Right now I sent that, and now let's just ignore what it says. But so basically now my message is sent and is viewable on both sides. And if I hold and tap that, and if I press this unsend button, then it says unsend messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still be included if the conversation is reported. So let's just not pay attention to this. The main thing here is that the message is gone from both ends, and they might be notified that the message was unsent. Or for example, if they are in the chat, they will see the message disappearing. They will see a little bubble that will be kind of like a disappearing of something. So I can just send one more message and I'll show you what other thing I have to tell you about the delete conversation. So now I have two messages here, and if I go back and I slide to the left side and I press more and I press delete here, now it says permanently delete this chat, but what it does is that the chat is gone from your end only, and it is not deleted from the other user's side. They can see all the messages from their side, from your side. This is basically deleting the chat from your side only. And if I press delete now and I search for Coldplay again, and now you see there are no messages here. So what do we learn from this is that we do not have to use the delete conversation option if we want our messages to actually go away from both ends. So if I want to do that, I will have to separately delete every single message and press on unsend button, which is if you long tap that and press unsend. So that is pretty much about it from this video. I hope I answered all your questions in this one. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.